Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're talking about how to sleep better tonight.
Oh, that topic already makes me want to yawn.
Good. Maybe your body is listening already.
I hope so, because my brain likes to start a meeting at bedtime.
That is very common.
Exactly. I lie down and suddenly I remember every mistake from 10 years ago.
Oh no, the Midnight Memory Show.
Yes, and then the future joins the show too.
The past is already over, and the future has not arrived yet.
That sounds simple, but it is actually powerful.
At night, we can gently come back to this moment.
Just this moment, this breath, and this pillow.
Exactly. Your job is not to solve your whole life at 11 p.m.
Good, because my brain has terrible office hours.
Another worry is worrying about sleep itself.
Yes, like if I don't sleep now, tomorrow will be terrible.
That thought can make sleep even harder.
So we need to stop fighting with sleep.
Right. If you sleep well, that is great. If not, that is okay too.
Ah, that feels much kinder.
Sleep often improves when we stop pressuring it.
Like a shy cat. If you chase it, it runs away.
Exactly. Let sleep come slowly.
So, what can we do before bed?
Slow down at least 1 hour before sleeping.
Not a huge life change, just a softer evening.
You can take a warm shower or wash your face.
It feels like washing away the heat and stress of the day.
Use screens less or make your screen time calmer.
Yes, no intense videos that wake up your brain.
And don't stay up too late when you are already tired.
Listen to your body before it has to shout.
A simple night routine can tell your mind it is safe to rest now.
I like that. Calm body, calm mind, better sleep.
Now, let's move into shadowing practice.
Listen, speak out loud, and let the sentences feel natural.
I am letting go of today.
I do not need to solve everything tonight.
The past is over, and I am here now.
The future can wait until tomorrow.
I can rest even if my mind is busy.
I do not have to force myself to sleep.
If I sleep well, that is good.
If I do not sleep well, I will still be okay.
I am slowing down before bed.
A warm shower helps me relax.
I am putting my phone away earlier tonight.
My bedroom is a place for rest.
I will listen to my body when I feel tired.
Small night habits can improve my sleep.
Tonight, I choose peace over overthinking.
Great job finishing this Shadowcast lesson.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Just listen again and speak out loud.
The more you repeat, the more natural English will feel.
Small practice every day can build real fluency.
And remember, better sleep can also begin with a calmer mind.
Be kind to yourself tonight.
See you in the next lesson.